How to remove EBT card from Amazon. Amazon is an e-commerce company that sells a wide range of products, including books, electronics, fashion, and home goods. To remove an EBT card from your Amazon account, follow these steps. Go to Amazon.com and log in with your credentials. Hover over Accounts and Lists and click on Your Payments, or navigate directly to the Payment Options page. In Payment option, click on Manage Payment Method. Scroll to find the EBT card listed under your payment methods. Confirm when prompted to ensure the card is deleted. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Amazon customer service for assistance. If your EBT card was linked to certain subscriptions, example, Amazon Fresh or Snap EBT eligible items, update those payment preferences to avoid issues. Thanks for watching.